Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Mercedes Benz CLA. So from any screen, you've got Navi here, or you can click the star, and there you go. Just use this rotary control to select navigation. You've got destination entry there, or let me just do this through the Navi. If I click Navi, like so, it comes up again. So destination entry, click destination entry, address, points of interest, go home, my route, recent, so on. We want address, so click address. Great Britain, enter town, enter postcode, we want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. P R. It defaults now to numbers, 5, 4, it's gone back to letters, E, A, PR5 4EA, and now we have to, even though we've just typed it in, we have to select it, and then you've got go, which as you can see it's highlighted, so all you have to do is click go again. There you go. It's that's it. It's as simple as that. It's a real good system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.